What up, though? It's your man Don Bucks. Welcome to Cheap and Chart. Brought to you by Rapid Dough, the home of money conversations and solutions. If this your first time tapping in, we talking options trading. And a quick disclaimer: this is not financial advice. You dig? This is for educational purposes only. We're gonna be talking about the ideology behind what I see on the charts, what plays we're in. So this should prove to be pretty beneficial to anybody that is vaguely familiar with stock options, right? Because what I do is give you more confidence in your trading by giving you high probability setups, high probability situations. And if you've been tapped in here, we deal with momentum divergences on the MACD. And that has been my bread and butter, right? That is a very high probability setup. Momentum divergence. Okay. Go back to the previous videos to see exactly what I'm talking about, but you'll probably pick up what I'm putting down as I go through. So last week we were talking about how we can look for more upside once this MACD blue line crosses above the orange, being that it's already above the zero line. See where this arrow denotes? It denotes the zero line of the MACD. Oh, I'm cheap and white lunch this morning for anybody that wanted to know. But moving on. This Friday is showing crossover. It's crossing back over. So at the same time, it looks like it wants to break this level here. So today, I believe that's what's in the pot. Crossing today. And I believe this level is going to be broken today. So what does that mean? Looking at the SPY, and if you took my course, you know what I'm talking about. SPY lets you know what the rest of the market is going to be doing. A lot of times out of 10, when you look at your stock, it's going to pretty much be mirroring something like what this is doing. It's going to look similar. Of course, you're going to have your outliers, the ones that are not conforming to the stock. For the most part, your stock is going to look like this chart. So we got upside coming from today. Okay, what are we in? We are in Delta Airlines. The live was over. You got to figure. We're in summertime, people traveling, people spending money. Knowing the time of the year it is also helps you narrow down on what could be a possible good play. Summertime, people traveling. So I hopped in this because I seen it over here. I cashed out of my Tyson. Tyson. Cashed out that and hopped in this. Seen it in here. Seen it in here. Here we go. Dallas Airlines. Twice. I said, oh, let me take that to the chart and see if I can see what they see. This is why I tell y'all to get this tool. Get this tool. So I took it to the chart. And what did I see? So I took it to the chart, and what did I see? I see a momentum divergence on the daily. So I didn't see a red bar in the daily, but I've seen definitely just broke a level. Trading time frame. Friday. To the half an hour. See if I can what is it? It's a divergence. The blue line is above the orange. It's above the zero line. It's on the day, right? It's above the zero line. The blue line is above the orange. We're finding red bar. This is a buy sign or a call. This is the momentum divergence right here. So in that, they say they was thinking it was going to go. So be up is actually that is the next level up, but they're shooting for this one. Shoot for this one. 52 is the strike. So they're shooting for this one up here because it's going out till August, so we hold it for a couple of weeks. Hold it to the end, we hold it for half the duration. Going to profit before, take profit into we're shooting for that 51. 47. 5 minutes till open. Anybody want to know this is creative focus on Apple? Words, just vibes. We get a lot of shit done to this. Up. 25%. These contracts are $60 a piece. Well, actually, I paid $48. You always ask how much it costs. How much it costs to get started trading options. There you have it. I paid $48 for this contract. It's at $60 right now. So I'm up $12, which is 25%. You might think that's not a lot of money. Right? But how long would it take you to earn 25% interest on your money in a bank account just sitting there? And it pays 0.02% yearly. Yearly, 0.0 something percent, not even a whole percent. 25% in a day. Right? This is how options is the hack. Once you know what you're doing, you tapped in the Cheef and chart, you're going to know what you're doing. Three minutes till open. And because the SPY is going up, airlines is going up. 7 cents. Rocking with ATBI too. ATBI on something. zero line, find the momentum divergence, and take it to the next level. Next level is 87. Red bar. This thing is momentum divergent on all time frames. This is a go. Red bar. House. Trade today. I might find something. Trade. So letting my Delta Airlines cook. Of course, we're in January. We're also in Target till January. That's the expiration. 2 minutes till open. So options, man. Options is what bought my cars. So this right now. I'll do that later. But yeah, this is like taking candy from a baby now at this point. And I would definitely, if I was looking to trade, I would definitely hop in this pre-market. Look at that. Oh, the market is open. That bar. There you go. There you go. Bar. What's going on? I think it's going to bounce off this level. Bounce off their level. Just shook a lot of people out just now, I bet. And about to hop on the other side, the buy side. Look, I told you. A lot of people got shook out. And look, me, yo. That's what that means. A lot of people got shook out right quick, and now they hop back in. Fine. This is where you get in. This is the momentum divergence. The next level up is 6 strike, 87 strike. I'll go like 2 weeks. Let's go back to the spot. Up into 11. But it's going to go. Sitting on this level right here. So it's going to chill for a second, and then it's going to go, I believe. It's too lit right here. It's my day. It's too lit. They gonna blast off. It's like next level up is what? That's where we're going, y'all. Not today, but that's the next level up. We're going. We in the bull. We in the bull. Yeah, there you go. Look. There you go. Sitting on the level. This level right here. It broke it. Testing it. That pin at the bottom. That's the test. Bounce. Chill here for a second. Let this finish crossing. And it's going to go. It's going to break this level. High chances of it breaking the level. I believe it is today. Today. The SPY. That's what happened. That you have people overtrade because they looking for some excitement. Nah, ain't no excitement here. The only excitement is watching the money run up. Now that's the excitement. People be looking for excitement. Like airlines, we up 35%. Bollinger Band, so it's not extreme. Stop is 48.50. That's the first stop. See, I might take profit here and then reposition. Actually, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Once it gets here, I want to take profit. But once it breaks through, I'm gonna take profit, reposition, wait for another red bar, and then divergence. Divergence here. Wait for a pullback. Wait for the red bar, and I'm gonna get another contract or two or whatever. Take it to 50. I'm telling y'all what I'm gonna do before I do it. Or I can hold it. Once it gets to the level, slow down. Even though the level is way back here. The further back the level, the less significant it is. That's a gem right there. The further back the level from where the price is now, the further back you go, the less significant the level is. But it's a level nonetheless. So this level is from 2 years ago. That was from June of 21. So I believe it's not going to have any issue with that level. I don't think it's not going to have any issue with that level. 2 years, almost 3 years ago. So yeah, I think it's just going to go right through that 48, 50 level. Be honest. Cook, baby, let it cook. Hey, right. Yeah, we run it. So let's go back to the SPY. Baby. Yep, you done crossed. You see it? Crossed. This is what we look for. Crossing of the MACD above the orange. That, and it being above the 0 line. Zero line here. This and a red bar is the momentum divergence for calls. Now this crossing down, you look for a green bar. That's a momentum divergence for puts. So this cross down below the 0 line, preferably below the 0 line. This blue line cross below the orange and goes below the 0 line. We're looking for a green bar to position for puts. With calls, we look for this to cross up above the 0 line with the red bar. That's a momentum divergence for calls. Okay. That was a quick gem for y'all. You might want to rewind that later. That's what we got going on. You'll probably find a red bar if we drop down far enough. So of course we got to go relatable. So if we're using a 2 hour, the relatable would be a half an hour. You divide 2 hours by, I'm going to go 3 to 5. If it makes sense to you, we're going to use 2 hours by 4. Gives us half an hour. It gives us a chance to look inside of the 2 hours. Find the red bar. Can't find one yet, but there's one in there somewhere. It has to be. Some pullback. So let's do relatable to the 30-minute. It's fine. So red bar. Red bar. That's where you would be getting your contract right now. This is where you get because now it's about to bounce. It's extended beyond the Bollinger Band. So that's a sign. Red bar. This is where the position for the momentum divergence that we see on this. That's a great spot. That's a good trading spot. That's what we do. Put time on the contract. Right? And the next level up is 48. 49. 450. I'll put like 2 weeks on that job. And you might put a month in it. You feel me? That's how you do that. And you found it. That's how you find your red bar. Because you can't see it in the daily. You gotta drop down 2 hours. Or let's say you drop down to the hour, right? I don't see it in the hourly. I don't see it in the hourly. So let's do relatable to the hourly. So divide an hour by 4. We got 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes. Drop down to 5 minutes and 15. too. Let's see, watch what happens now. Hey, watch what happens. It's like magic. Got in here. Already. Yeah. And take into consideration it's only the first 15 minutes of the market. Volatile. Not going on. Go. Baby. Told you. Come on, man. Come on, man. Take note and get money with me, man. Showed y'all that it happened in minutes. You take note. So this is how momentum divergences work. This is why it's a high probability setup. This is what I use. It's all I use. Different variations of it. So I might use the 1 hour, 2 hour, but then of course my relatables to find my red bar if I'm doing calls. Stay. Go. Extreme on the boundary band. Super sign, super clue. That was perfect. So hopefully y'all seen that. Like I said, we're in Delta Airlines. That's cookie. Nike till January. We're also in Target till January. Rewind this, get those gems. If you haven't already, get my free checklist. It's in the description of this channel. So, taking my course. I'm basically giving my course every day. Every day I'm on here. It's like, I want to, be able to rewind and go a little bit further in detail with different topics. Get the course. It's on sale. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell. If you need any stocks looked at, throw them in the comment section. Live. Go over it live. Any specific questions or any topics that I discuss, try to make it as simple as possible. As plain English as possible. But clarification. Feel free to drop it in the comment section. I got you. Don Bucks. I should say it's your man, Don Bucks.